Pretty excited. I got my first peek at the new iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. These are coming out imminently to get into your little paws. But let's have a look here. I've actually kind of opened these already, so it's not really a real unboxing, but I just wanted to show you just how they compare in size to some of the other stuff out there and talk about MagSafe as well. So I've got the product red, iPhone 12, and I have to say this is a beautiful color. You'll notice right away how small the boxes are now compared to the older iPhone boxes, and that's because no more charger and no more earbuds. Better for the environment, they say. So if you do need some, you can pick them up from Apple. I think they're doing discounts on that, and lots of other accessory manufacturers. So I'm just going to take the screen off here, and you can see right here in the box, you just get the cable. That's it. You do get an Apple sticker in here. I'll pull that out pretty quick. The little SIM pin, and stick that on your bedroom wall, right? Okay. So basically, comparing that, this is an iPhone 11 here, just to kind of give you an indication of size. A little bit bigger than the 11 Pro. This is the 11, or sorry, the 12 here in my left hand. And just to give you another indication, we haven't got it yet because not out till November, but John on our team 3D printed the specs as far as size for the iPhone mini. So when the iPhone mini does come out, this is basically how big it will be compared to an iPhone 12 regular size. So yeah, I think a lot of people do like the smaller size, but we'll wait and see what happens there. Right away, you'll notice it has a different design. It's not the rounded corners anymore. It's kind of like an iPhone 5 and an iPhone 4. Nice shiny kind of edges though. I like it. Some people will, some people won't, but I think it's kind of a nice design. It's just super nice to hold in your hands now. Okay, so we're gonna have a look here now at the iPhone 12 Pro. This is the Midnight Blue. This is a new color for Apple. And again, just to show you the sizes between the two here. Kind of the same size. The 12, though, you'll notice, does have the extra camera lens and also has something called LiDAR. It's kind of like a radar to help with your lighting. It basically sends out, I guess, a beam to see the object that you're trying to focus on and then find the best way to light that. It also has a telephoto lens on it as well. So they both have wide, ultra wide, but the iPhone Pro has the telephoto. So you can get up to a 4 times optical zoom when you factor in all the cameras on that. Another feature, the new iPhones also have what's called ceramic shield. They're not allowed to even call it glass anymore, but it's 4 times more drop proof, they say, than previous iPhone models. So that is kind of a handy thing because I have a habit of dropping my iPhones. Big feature though is MagSafe. That's something they had with the old MacBooks. Remember that? The magnetic power adapter. Well, with this here, there's a magnet built into the back of every iPhone 12 now. It doesn't matter which iPhone 12, from the mini to the Pro Max, they say. This is the new Apple Qi charger, MagSafe. Kind of just snaps right on the back. And it's a strong connection. Like you can actually, well, now that I'm doing it here, you can actually pick it up with that. Don't do it, but you can do it because it's that strong. And the idea there is that you then get a perfect connection with the wireless charger. And that's one of the challenges I've had with wireless charging. At night, I always dock my iPhone on my stand-up wireless charger. And sometimes in the morning, it's dead because it didn't connect properly. So they're going to do away with that issue. Here is their clear case. This is kind of interesting because the idea of the clear case is so you can see the beautiful color and keep it minimalist. But with this one, they've got the little extra, I guess, magnet label on the back here that makes it stronger. So I'm just going to give you an idea, because you're probably wondering, can't I just put like a regular clear case on there and it will still be magnetic? Yes and no. So just to give you an idea here, I'm going to put this on the back of the Pro, put this on the 12, and again, this is the official Apple one, and you still get that snap. So it still kind of connects here. You can feel it, but you're not able to pick it up Like it's not as strong, essentially, as the official Apple one. So we're going to start seeing all sorts of new accessories that have that built into cases. Apple's promoted that wallet case that I'm pretty excited about as well. So we'll see what other accessory manufacturers make out of that. Both have improved the cameras on here. With the Pro, you also get what they say is the first camera to have Dolby Vision HDR 10-bit video recording. So that's 4K, 60 frames a second in Dolby Vision. So there's not any cameras out on the market, let alone smartphone cameras that have that. So if you are into taking video, you're one of those video nerds, definitely have a look at the Pro model. But overall, I have to say, I do like the new design. We'll be doing more of a review of these over the next few weeks, but generally our first impressions.